Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And so today's video is about this makeup look that I'm wearing in this video. Like, I have to shoot this thrice to get this one. So let's get started with the video. I'll be using Avon Solution, the matte gel cream as my primer. Excuse me. I have like really bad throat and cold. Using this as a primer because it my T-zone is really oily now. It's getting warmer nowadays. So yeah, I just take this makeup sponge and I'll take the Makeup Revolution, the one foundation, and I'll use this always. And with the help of a sponge, I'll just with the help of the sponge, like I'll just dab it in all in, just like that. I was telling you, like this is the third time I'm filming this video, and every time like I had low battery or something of that sort. I am using this Makeup Academy Moa to cancel all the darkness on my eyelids, and then I'll use the Color Essence HD loose powder to set that concealer in so that it doesn't crease. Then I'm using this Color Essence Kajal. I'm using this because it is like really smudgeable. So I'm using this as my eyeliner and then make a V on the outer corner of my eyes. Uh, just like that. Just like that. You don't have to be like really neat or something like that. Just put the kajal wherever you want to, and then with a blending brush, like the really fluffy brush, just blend it all in. In fact, when I was watching this video, I felt that even this could have done. I couldn't have skipped the eyeshadows, but yeah. So I'll just blend that all in, just like that. And then I'll use this Makeup Academy Winter Frost eyeshadow palette and then set the gray with the gray. I'll just set that kajal so that it doesn't smudges more. I'll link all the products that I used in this video in the bottom bar below, in the description box below, so you can check out what all I used. You can use any gray powder right here. Just I'm just dabbing it. Then I'm using this Maybelline quad and taking that silver sort of color to the one third inner corner, to the one third of my eyes, to just brighten it all up, and just to the inner corner, from the inner corners to one third of my eyes. I'll do that. After, yeah, just like that, with that same fluffy brush, I'll just blend it all in. And then I'm taking this Savannah baked highlighter and highlighting my brow bone, just like that. And I forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm just doing it really quickly with a brown eyeshadow from that same palette. I'm just taking that and just setting my eyebrows, just filling them in basically, so that all the spaces and gaps are just filled in and they look really fuller and sort. Yep. And then I'm taking this colossal kajal and just applying it to my upper and lower waterline at the same time with this technique. Like, I think this is the easiest way I can apply kajal to my upper and lower bottom. Can I speak? Oh my god, can I speak today? Like, I'm applying it to both my waterlines to give that intense black eye look, just like that. And then I'm taking that highlighter again and just applying that to my cheekbones. Okay, I forgot. I mean, I by mistakenly I did got deleted my clips where I am just covering up my dark circles with a concealer and doing a bit of contouring. So that part is not there. I'm straight away onto the highlight part. So I'm highlighting wherever I want my face to be highlighted and reflect light. So I'm just highlighting all those places, just like that. And then I'll use, okay, I didn't show the product that I use. I'm using Makeup Revolution baked highlighter in the shade Bronzed Fame as my blush today. It's a really goldenish, no, not goldenish, it's a brownish pinkish sort of a blush, sort of a bronzer. So I'm using that as my blush, and then I'm using this Faces Go Chick lipstick on my lips. It is in the shade Candy Floss. I love this. It's such a beautiful nude pink. So I'm using that. I like to apply like layers and layers of lipstick on my lips. I'm a lipstick addict. I can't ever have enough of them. So with that, I finished my look, and this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it. Do let me know by commenting in the comment section below. Do not forget to follow all my social medias, they will be in the bottom bar below. Till then, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.